Hello friends, welcome to the Engineering Vana channel. Today we discuss about the anova formula by using this formula A, formula B, formula C by calculating the treatment error and the total of this problem by using the ANOVA formula. This topic is in the probability and science, so please subscribe the channel of Engineering Wala for more videos. So we're going about this problem. So given that three dying formula for curving curing a glue are studying and following times are observed, and he given that 5% of loss and comment. So he given the formula A, formula B, formula C as 13, 10, 8, 11, 8, and B given as 13, 11, 14, 14, and in this part is not given that. So here in formula C, in this tabular form given that 4, 1, 3, 4, 2, 4. So Ti means it is a total formula of this value. So we calculated that 13 plus 10 plus 8 plus 11 plus 8. So we get the value of Ti is equal to 50. So in this formula B, we calculate 13 plus 11 plus 14 plus 14. Oh, sorry. So we get the value of 52. By the formula C, we are calculating 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. So we get the value of 18. So add this three values, 50 plus 52 plus 18, we get the 120. So we got the total this formula A, formula B, formula C gotten the value of 120. So here Ti square by Ni, total number of frequencies or total number of classes given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Ti square by Ni, Ti square means 50 square by N, total number of frequencies 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 50 square divided by Ni means total values 5. So we get the value of 500. So in second way, 52 square divided by N value, total number of frequencies 1, 2, 3, 4. Here fifth one is not given in this tabular form, so we used in this as 4. So we get the 676. So in third one, 18 square Ti square, 18 square divided by N value, he given that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divided by 6, 54. So add this Ti by Ni value, we got the 1230. So from doing the all treatments, corrosion factor formula is G square by N. So here G square is given that 120 square by N value means total number of terms is given in this formula 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 divided by 15. So we will get the value of 960. So 120 square divided by 960. Oh, sorry. 120 square divided by 15. We will get the value of 960. So in this we want to calculate the treatment error and total. So in this treatment K minus 1 and so we want to calculate the sum of squares of treatment, sum of squares of error, and the total sum of squares. So we should find the first value as sum of squares of treatment. So we will get the so formula is Ti by Ni minus corrosion factor. Cf is known as corrosion factor. So Ti minus Ti square by Ni, we will get the value of 1230 minus corrosion factor, we get the 960. So we will subtract 1230 minus 960, we will get the value of 270. So second one, we should calculate the total sum of squares. So total sum of squares means xi square. So add all the values by putting the square values. So we will get the value of 1260. We will get the 1260, 13 square, 10 square, 8 square, 11 square, 8 square, 13 square, so on. All these values should be square. So we will get the value of 1260. So 1262. So total sum of squares value is sigma xi square minus corrosion factor. So sigma xi value, we will get the 1262 minus corrosion factor. We already know that 960. So we will subtract both these values, we will get the 302. So total sum of square, we will get the 302, and find the sum of squares of error. Sum of squares of error formula is total sum of squares minus total sum of treatment. Total sum of square, we will get the value of 302, and sum of squares of treatment, we will get the value of 270. We will subtract the 32, we will get the formula of 32. So we will draw the table like this. So first one is a treatment and error and total. Treatment formula is k minus 1. Here k is a number of frequencies in starting position is 3. He given that in question, he given that 3 dying. He given that 3 dying is presented. So 3 minus 1, 2. So sum of squares. So in the sum of squares of treatment, we will get the value of 270, and sum of squares of error, we will get the value of 32, and the total sum of squares, we will get the value of 302. So MSS, then we will form the MMS, mean sum of square. So mean means by so formula is sum of squares of treatment by k minus 1. Sum of squares of treatment, we will get the value of 270 by k minus 1, we will get the value of 2. So 270 divided by 2. So here 270 divided by 2, we will get the 135. So 135. Here 32 divided by 12, we will get the 2.6. Here the variance is equal to formula that sum MMS sum of squares of treatment by error. So by 135 divided by 2.6, we will get the value of 50.56. So we will calculate 135 divided by 2.66, we will get the 50.56. So we will consider, so that's all. This problem is completed by 90%. Remaining 10% is F tabler at 5 degrees. He given that okay, visible. He given that 5% LOS. In this 5% LOS from values of 2 degrees and degree of treatment to degree of error, we will get in 3.88. So this one is very greater than tabular form. So we rejected HO value. So HO value is rejected. So thanks friends. This problem is completed. Okay, bye friends. We will discuss next problem in next one.